Yes, in the tent, our gathering of friends can be short, even 10 minutes, even 10 minutes long, but it has to conclude with gratitude to the Creator for assembling us, for separating us from the rest, and that with all we have, we are trying to connect in order to make him room, give him room to reveal himself. That's it. And then I relate to each and every friend like to a great treasure. Since when I connect with them, I give the Creator a place to reveal himself. The Creator is revealed from these two bits of data, the egoistic chasm that we have between us, and the connections we build above it. So the gaps between us can be truly great, but nevertheless, we are trying to build above them connections. And through these connections, this web of connections between us, we present this web to the Creator to be revealed in it. And this is the meaning of building a field the Creator has blessed.
So,
yeah.
Excuse me. So, basically, if I understand correctly, you describe the complete prayer, the complete package of a prayer.
Yeah, he writes elsewhere, Rabash, what is a prayer? Where after we turn to the Creator in different ways, we are certain that we have reached everything, and we receive it, and we are coming out of the prayer. Yeah, there's an article like that.